Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best electric bicycle wheel in this video? I will show you the top 5 best electric bicycle wheel to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Conry electric bicycle front hub motor. Specifications: brand name Conry. Motor type brushless gear hub motor. Wattage 400 W. Design brushless. Voltage 48 volts. Installation rear or front. Origin mainland China. Certification CE. Number 4 is bicycle brushless gear motor. Specifications: brand name Conry. Motor type brushless non-gear hub motor. Wattage 400 W. Design brushless. Voltage 48 volts. Rated power 350 watts, 500 watts. Installation front, rear wheel. Origin mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected Bafang electric bike kit. Specifications: brand name Jushui. Size 26-inch. Mounting position front drive. Motor type brushless gear hub motor. Design brushless. Wattage 501 to 1000 W. Voltage 36 volts. Motor 48 V, 500 W. Number 2 is CSC Ebike conversion kit. Specifications: brand name CSC. Motor type brushless non-gear hub motor. Wattage 400 W. Design brushless. Voltage 48 volts. Suspension type rear. Motor shaft diameter M14. Item width 135 mm. Certification CE. On the top of our list at number 1 we have electric bike conversion kit. Specifications: brand name Someday. Motor type brushless non-gear hub motor. Wattage 400 W. Design brushless. Voltage 48 volts. Speed about 45 to 50 km per hour. RPM 414 to 487 RPM. Use modified electric bicycle kit. Certification CE.